I need to deliver the final design to my client, and there are still multiple geotechnical scenarios I need to evaluate beforehand. Thank God I have Darwin software to help me get the job done. Darwin will automatically perform a parametric analysis to determine the most influential parameters in Plaxis. Yes! My coffee is ready. Darwin is really amazing. With these new calculations, I'll gain a better understanding of the actual ground behavior. Darwin is extremely intuitive and versatile. Hit this button and done! Now, I can start writing the report and enjoy my coffee while Darwin handles the heavy calculations. Oh, it's just perfect. I'm curious to see how far Darwin has progressed, though I know these things take some time. What? Darwin has already finished in less than 20 minutes. Wow! And it calculated more than 100 Plaxis models. That's quite impressive, even for Darwin's 200 parallel high-performance cloud computing architecture. My client will be extremely pleased to see how many options were evaluated to deliver the best possible design so quickly. Work done!